Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your OS and GPU drivers are up to date because Live Wallpaper uses GPU acceleration. Once done, install a dedicated Live Wallpaper app and accept its permissions. That app is the only way to run an animated desktop reliably. Next, locate a compatible wallpaper file, video, web scene, or packaged scene, and note its folder path. You do this now so the next steps are seamless. Make sure the app can access that path and any hardware acceleration settings are enabled. You now load the wallpaper into the app. Click Add Wallpaper, choose File or Scene, and pick the exact file you prepared. Once loaded, configure playback settings, frame rate, loop mode, and audio level, because these affect performance and user experience. Next, set resource limits. Assign GPU or CPU caps so the desktop stays responsive. Then choose the display target, adjusting scaling and positioning for single or multiple monitors. These detailed settings ensure the live wallpaper looks correct and runs efficiently. You finish by applying the wallpaper and saving a profile so your setup persists across restarts. Enable Run on Startup if you want it active immediately after login. Once active, test system responsiveness. Open common apps and stream video to confirm no stuttering. Monitor CPU and GPU usage. If you see spikes, stop and adjust settings. If things go wrong, restart the app, reassign GPU priority, or replace the file with a lower resolution version. That single troubleshooting tip, lower res or lower frame rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.